how to enable cloud models and web search in Olama. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and simple tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can simply enable the cloud search and web search, the cloud models and the web search in Olama desktop application. So for that, simply follow these easy steps. First, open up your Olama desktop application, and once the application launches, click onto the settings option. Now within the settings, you will see this first option, that is cloud. So enable cloud models and web search. Simply click onto this toggle in order to enable the cloud models and web search, and you are all set. So that's how easily you can enable the cloud search, the cloud models and the web search for Olama to be ready to use right into your system. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this video was helpful to you. If the video was helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and also share our YouTube channel for the same. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.